First thing is, when I say soft skills, these are actually categorized into presentability, sales aspects, and of course, a lot of times your psychology aspects as well. I think most of these soft skills, what you're aware of, what are required for you when you actually want to make a career in sales, into marketing, that those are the soft skills you also require in digital. Because in digital, it is rightly said that if you can't sell, you can't be a digital marketer. So you need the aspects of selling a particular product. Yes, you have hardcore lead selling campaigns, lead generation campaigns. You have hardcore marketing. So most of the soft skills which are there in the industry where people are trained on, they're required in digital. Presentability is something which is extremely important in digital as well. Trust me one thing, if in case you're a person who is managing a particular online event and you yourself are not very presentable, that is something which people are not going to take you very seriously about. Okay. There was one show which basically happened in 2019, and the first time that automobile expo, or rather the auto expo show, for the first time in their entire history, they took the show online as well, which was Autocar or Auto Expo India, which usually happens in Delhi. They took that show online in the first time in the year 2019. Of course, they'll be very happy with their decision in 2020 because good, they have taken it online. They took it on IGTV, YouTube Live. The reason they took it online was because they wanted to reach out to a wider set of audience. Now, many people gave them the feedback that the show which is there physically, which we actually happened to see the show physically, and what we saw online hardly made any difference because you have presented it so well that I did not feel that I'm sitting at home and watching your show. Your show was as professional as it could be. That was one thing which was a very good feedback for Auto Expo. Now, please remember, these were certain soft skills which were important for these marketers to understand, and that's why they could present the show in such a way that a person did not feel the difference between an offline and an online show. So soft skills are a very important aspect, and most of the soft skills what you talk about are the same what I talk about: presentability, okay, communication skills, and most importantly your selling skills. Okay, so certain times you also have to target the mindset and psychology of a consumer. So psychology and consumer marketing skills are important. Understanding the behavior of consumer, that is also very important. These are the soft skills which are commonly required for a digital marketer to understand and to implement his strategies.